Ever asked an AI to refactor complex logic only for it to give you a code that looks right but breaks the moment you run it? That's because even the smartest AI can be lazy, so it jumps to a solution without even thinking through the steps. But at Google, we don't just ask for answers, we ask for a proper plan. Today, I'm showing you chain of thought prompting. It's the easiest way to stop hallucinations and force the AI to solve the logic before it writes the code. So let's fix some callback hell together. So now, standard prompting is a zero shot. You ask, it answers. See, in this, we gave a messy nested callback code. But the AI gave us a very basic version, but it forgot to handle the specific partial failure stage because the prompt was too simple. It just translated the code without thinking about the architecture. Now, chain of thought is very different. We force the model to generate a series of intermediate steps before providing the final code. See, in this, the AI lists the steps first, catches all the edge cases, and then writes the perfect code. So look at the scratchpad. Because it identified the API timeout edge case in step 2, it automatically added a retry block in the final code. It thought it's a way into a better solution. So next time, whenever you have a hard bug, don't just ask for the fix. Ask for the proper plan. I have put my favorite code logic trigger prompt in the description. Now, we have mastered how to talk to AI, but tomorrow we are going to change what the AI knows. We are diving into RAG, how to give the AI access to your files and code base so it prompts or it stops guessing and starts retrieving. See you for the day 4.